Stay grounded, babe. That's the first message that I'm picking up right here. You are a humble soul. Mapagkumbaba ka. Whatever you have, you're grateful for that and you're not being boastful. Hindi mo yan niyayabang but you're thankful of whatever you have. I'm seeing that you have this very soft heart, especially when it comes to your family. Family always comes first. Okay? Whether you have your own family right here or you could have here your mom, your dad, your biological parents here, your kapatid, and for others of you, baka married na yung iba sa inyo, no? I'm seeing that you love your family so dearly right here, okay? I'm seeing that you are a family-oriented and spirits are saying, stay humble, kagaya ng ginagawa mo. The more you humble yourself, the more you will stay grounded. And the more you will maintain that tree, that plants, no? Ibig sabihin nun, no, is stability. Yan. So, let's see. Yeah, definitely. Family always comes first. Your loved ones always comes first because you love them so much. Let's see what's happening here, guys. For some reason, I'm seeing here, no, medyo parang, tinan mo, these are two different energies. The Chariot is the one of the fastest energies in the tarot, while the Six of Swords is one of the slowest energy in the tarot. So I'm seeing that, okay? Kapag pinagsama mo sila, what will you get? Moderation. Diba? So, kailangan mo rito maging easy on this one. Okay, for some reason, no, meron ditong parang mas nagte-trigger na energy. And for some reason, you need to take moderately about the situation here. Okay, so it's okay to take time, no? Parang ganun yung nakukuha ko rito. But we'll find out what is that all about. Okay. For some reason, I'm seeing that the universe wants you to go easy on this one, no? Huwag kayo masyado magpatangay sa malalakas na alon or malalaking alon. Let's see what is this all about. Okay, let's go ahead and check out other informations about this. No. Wow. Nice. Wow. The Sun, Page of Swords energy, and the Empress. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. Yan, welcome new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support na pong binibigay niyo sa akin. Yan, no, just take only what resonates guys. We do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Yan, pwede nyo rin i-flip yung roles if you want. Of course, meron rin kayong free will. At the end of the day, malaya kayong gamitin. Yan. So, yun nga mga babes na wala tayong gender here, okay? At timeless din ito. Pwedeng tapos na or nangyari na sa iba, pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or pwedeng hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. Here, yes, Five of Swords energy, Seven of Wands, Nine of Wands energy. Okay? The message that I'm picking up right here, human beings tend to judge, no? May masasabi at may masasabi talaga yung ibang tao, right? Okay? If you do not do something and you're just lying in a couch, or you're just waiting for something to happen in your life, no, and you're not doing anything, may nasasabi ang iba, tama? At kapag may ginagawa ka naman, no, or kumikilos ka rito, no, para sa isang bagay na gusto mo, may nasasabi pa rin sila. So, ano't ano man yung gawin mo, may gawin ka man or wala kang gawin, no, may nasasabi pa rin yung ibang tao rito. So, don't let this pressure here, no, na maramdaman mo. Okay? Don't put this pressure here, no, upon your shoulder. Don't carry this. Yes, human beings tend to judge, no. That's a natural thing, no, which is I do pick up sometimes, no, yung judgment ng isang human being, no, meron niyang good at bad side, no. So, here, I'm seeing, no, na, what I mean doon is that, 'di ba, sometimes, no, yung judgment ng iba, no, sometimes yung negative effect nun, no, is to make someone feel down or sad, 'di ba? And the positive side is that, no, sometimes, no, yung judgment ng ibang tao, no, is nakatutulong, no, para mas magsumikap at mas magpursue pa, no, ang isang individual, no, sa kanyang life, isn't it? So, like everything here, no, is merong good and bad effect. So, it's really up, no, sa isang person, no, how to deal with this. That's why I told you, guys, no, do not put the pressure upon your shoulder. Kasi here, no, nakikita ko na marami ritong tao sa paligid mo, no, others, no, yung iba, pwedeng nasa buhay mo, pwedeng, um, kabilang, no, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, no, that you just can't stay away from them. Others, pwedeng relatives pa to, no. There are toxic and negative energies around you, no. Could be friends right here, no. So, yan, may mga taong ganon. Yung iba naman, no, pwedeng mga chismosa lang ng mga kapitbahay. Yeah, human beings always tend to judge. Okay? So, whether you do something or you do not do something, meron at meron pa rin masasabi yung iba, no? Here, your angels and spirit guides with the 9 of Wands energy, Ace of Wands right here, 4 of Coins. Okay? Dahil palagi namang may nasasabi ang iba, then dun ka na lang, no? Sa side kung saan sabi ng mga angels and spirit guides mo, no, hindi mo mapipigilan na magsalita ang ibang tao, no. They're putting judgment here, hindi lamang sa'yo, kundi sa kung ano-ano yung napapansin nila, no, pati sa ibang mga tao din. So, why not put your energy and make efforts right here, no, to invest in achieving here your dreams and goals in life, no. Huwag kang magpaapekto, no. Total may nasasabi sila 'pag wala kang ginagawa, no. Tapos may nasasabi sila rito, no, kapag may ginagawa ka. Then why not chase after your dreams? Why not go pursue your dreams right here, no, para yung masasabi nila sa'yo kahit may masabi man sila na negative, no, inabot mo yung pangarap mo, nag-benefit ka, 'di ba? Hindi ka nagpaapekto sa kanila, no, tinuloy mo lang dito yung mga dapat mong abutin at mangyari dito sa buhay mo, no, and they're gonna witness that, the Empress, and there's this Page of Swords energy right here, no? You know, they're gonna witness here your success. Left and right victories ay mapapasayo, no? Yun ang nakikita ko rito. Alam mo mga babes, no? These people right here, you cannot stop them from talking behind you. Because they're not just talking behind you, they're also talking behind other people as well, no? They always tend to judge, ay mag-uumpukan diyan sa kanto, hindi mo sila mapipigilan, no? Pagka sinabihan mo pa sila, no, mas lalo pa ritong magbe-burn ng mas malaki yung fire, mas lalo ka nila ritong pag-uusapan. Then why not? They're gonna talk about your success instead, 'Di ba? Because they're gonna witness it, they're gonna see it before their eyes, 'no? Makikita nila rito, 'no, na magiging successful ka sa kung anong ginagawa mo, 'no? Show them what you got, 'no? Alam mo yung kanta ni Justin Timberlake na, "Show me what you got, take me to the spot." 'Di ba? Take these people right here on the spot. They're gonna witness here your abundance and prosperity. You're gonna have here the food, no, na gusto mo lagi na kainin, mga masasarap at mga nutritious, no, na mga foods na meron kayo lagi na biyaya na ganyan sa table. These grapes are symbols right here that this is a long victory here, no. Alam mo, mahirap kasi talagang patubuin, no, ang mga ubas, no, at 'di ba ginagawa itong alak, no, ito ay, parang alam mo yung parang binuburo, 'no, parang for long time, 'no, 'pag ininom mo yon, 'no, ang sarap, 'no. And wine is a symbol here of celebration, 'no. We drink wine and we're cheering with our loved ones here, 'no. That is always part of celebration, 'no, like that alak here, 'no. So you're gonna celebrate, 'no. Marami ritong mga bulaklak na magmumukadkad, 'no, and those are here mga beautiful things in your life. And this onlookers yun mga babes, no, yung mga bystanders, no, ito yun, yung mga people around you, no, wala sila talagang parte dyan sa life mo, no, ang kanilang role lang talaga dito, no, is to witness here your success. Gusto nila ritong makita ang success mo, then show them without talking to them. Show them without being pressured by them. Show them, okay, by focusing here to your success, no? Kasi pag naabot mo yung mga dreams, no, at nagiging successful ka, nakikita ko yon, makikita din nila yan kahit hindi mo sabihin, "Hoy, mga kapitbahay, hoy, eto successful na ako, nakita nyo, no? Eto yung uniform na gusto ko talagang isuot. Eto, nakita niyo yung posisyon ko ngayon sa kumpanya pinagtatrabahuan ko. Eto na yung negosyo ko." Like, no, no? Hindi mo yun magagawa, no? Dahil ang success mo rito ang magsusumigaw, no? Na makakarating sa kanila yan. Imposibleng hindi kasi mga marites ito. Makakarating talaga yan, no? Yeah, they're gonna talk, no? They're gonna talk right now about you. Eh, hoy, alam mo naging successful na 'to si Collective, 'no? Pero sa tingin ko mare, tingin ko may ginawa yang kababalaghan, mga gano'n, 'no? 'Di ba, successful ka na pero may nasabi pa rin sila, pero anong nangyari rito? Ikaw pa rin yung nagwagi, ikaw pa rin yung nanalo, 'no? 'Di ba? So, hindi ko naman sinabi na nakikipagkompetensya ka sa kanila, no? It's just that these people here, no, meron sila ritong tendency to drain your energy, no, to make you feel down. So, do not allow them. Okay? Kasi kahit maging successful kami, masasabi at masasabi pa rin tong mga to. Pero, yun nga, no, don't give them that, manibela sa iyong life, no? Kasi sa nakikita ko rito, onlookers lang sila, bystanders lang sila, no? So, angels and spirit guides right here wants you, no, to let this standards pass in your life. In this lifetime, ang role nila sa buhay mo, no, is dadaan lang sila sa life mo. Let this bystanders here, no, pass. Okay? Or you may use these people here as your inspiration. Yes, the people here who do not like you. You have here bashers, the people who bullies you. So yeah, okay? These are just bystanders, onlookers, no? Kumbaga parang sa ano, no? Daan lang sila sa life mo. So, hayaan mo lang silang dumaan na parang hangin sa buhay mo. In this lifetime, ang role nila, no, ay ang dumaan lang. So, your angels are telling me to say to you na let these people pass by. They do not have something to do with your life. Okay? This is your life. No, let them pass. Ayan. Let them pass and success will be yours. You're gonna win in life, left and right, kaliwat kanang victories ang nakikita ko rito pag pinadaan mo lang sila, no? May mga tao talagang daan lang sa buhay natin, mga babes, no? At itong mga marites na 'to, 'no, ay ang bongga, daan lang sila sa buhay mo. Kaya wag mo silang imbitahin na mag-stay ng matagal, 'no, sa life mo, 'no, because if you will tell these people, "Hoy, alam mo yung bunganga mo, ang ingay-ingay mo, eh," 'no, pagka nagbigay ka ng energy mong gano'n, 'di ba? You're just entertaining them, na parang sinabi mo, "Halika, upo ka rito sa aming hapag, 'no, kumain ka, pagsisilbihan kita, eh." Do not invite them in, okay? Just let them pass. Na parang hangin, 'di ba? So, think of them that they do not exist here. And if you can definitely try to mind your own business and focus here in making your life even better, then, okay, yun lang yun, no? Ito lang yung parang mga fans mo rito na mawi-witness rito ang iyong success. So, how beautiful is that, diba? So amazing that you turn, no, these people here, no, na fans mo talaga sila, no, and then these people here, no, will just pass by in this lifetime, no, dito sa yung life story. The full card energy, Pentacles right here, Nine of Pentacles, I mean, Eight of Wands. I'm seeing that you will go a long, long way right here, and there will be a lot of success and winning moments here in your life. Okay? Just let these people here pass by. Okay? Huwag kang magalit kahit nakakabwisit sila. Huwag ka ring sumigaw, no? Kahit na naririnig mo rito yung mga tsismisan nila, no? Mga katrabaho, kapitbahay, mga tao ritong ayaw sa'yo, whatever, no? They're just normal human beings who are not awakened, no? You are not like them. You are not like them because you are special. Okay? Angels wants to protect you, so you have to do this. Focus in your dreams and goals, and do not mind this onlookers or bystanders right here, and then success will be yours. I'm seeing that you will go a long way right there, and you will have here a lot of success when it comes to pentacles, coins, money, business man yan, or career. And you will definitely have here success. If you want love, then love is coming. That will eventually here make salubong sa'yo and everything here that you want in your life. Okay? Makikita mo yan as clear as the sun, as clear as the daylight. Okay? So yeah, these are all the beautiful messages right here your angels and spirit guides wants you to do. Wow. Okay? So, claim this beautiful message right here, sweetheart, because you are the Empress right here, and I'm seeing it clearly. Yeah. So vividly right here. So, thank you so much for your time, and please do check out other channels. Thank you so much. Love and light.